This is the replacement hub. I bought this used. It appears to be a little bit dirty. I'm going to clean it out, but it doesn't look like it's had much use. Kind of guess that by the condition of these. These haven't been taken off and messed with a lot. Also, it's quite, there's no really looseness in this part. These pieces appear to be factory. So pretty happy with this part. It cost me maybe about $16, $17. So all I have to do is disassemble this. Start with the tire coming off, and then I'm going to cut this tape off and loosen all these nuts and start taking the spokes out. And then the fun joy of putting it all back together.